YouTube land, welcome to my channel here on YouTube. Well, today we're going to talk about the DJI Summer Sale. You know, DJI has sales every now and then, especially around Christmas time. Their Black Friday sales are incredible. A lot of savings there. Well, they have a great summer sale coming up, and DJI, as many of you know, has never sent me anything for free. Never! So when they contacted me and said, Steve, would you like to promote our summer sale? I said, DJI, I would love to promote your summer sale. Can you send me some free drones that I can give away? And they said, no. We're not going to do that. But we will give you some coupon codes that you can give to your viewers so that they can save extra money on whatever they buy on the summer sale. So let me tell you a little bit about this sale. It runs from the 7th of June 2019 all the way up to 16th of June 2019. Now, if you're in Canada, this sale is for people in the United States and Canada. United States, your sale starts today and runs to the 16th. In Canada, your sale starts tomorrow and I think also runs to the 16th. Yes. So a lot of the prices I'm going to show you apply to the US. If you're in Canada, check it out on the 8th of June and you'll see what prices apply to you. Now, if you're in the rest of the world, like Europe, I'm sure DJI has a sale going on for Europe, and they've probably contacted people to promote this sale, like me, and you might see YouTube videos on that. So stay tuned, especially if you're in Europe or even Australia. Stay tuned for that, but I do not have them because they know I live in Canada, so they just gave me the US-Canada ones. So let me tell you what's on sale before you turn off and say, hey, you're talking too much. Well, the sales are pretty good. If you would like to have your very own Mavic Air, well, guess what? It is on sale, and it's on sale for $120 US off the price. Yes, you could get this for $120 less than it normally costs. All you got to do is click on the link below and you'll get it for $120 less. What if you want a Mavic 2 Zoom? Something like this. Okay, well, that's a Mavic 2 Pro. It is my favorite drone, but you've seen me use the Mavic 2 Zoom many times. If you would like a Mavic 2 Zoom, it's $100 off right now. Hey, you're not going to get a savings like that until around Christmas time, so if you want one, you better get it now. $100 US. Use the code below. Also with the Mavic Air, I should mention, if you want the Fly More package, it's also $120 US off. All you got to do is click on the link below and you'll get it for $120 less. If you want the Tello, the little Tello here, well, it's only $10 off, but if you want one, hey, you can save $10. If you want the DJI goggles, the racing edition, the best ones they have, it's $100 US off. And if you want the Ronin, well, it's $100 off. Now, instead of going through everything that's on sale, you'll see the summer sale below. Just click on that link below and you'll see everything that's on sale. And for all the Captain Drone viewers, DJI sent me 15 coupon codes, which means that if I give you a coupon code, you can get an additional 5% off whatever's on sale. So when you click on the link below and you see all the items on sale, if you want to buy one of them and you want to get an additional 5% off, you have to use my coupon code. Now, I only have 15 coupon codes, so here's what I'm going to do. All you have to do is send me an email to Captain Drone, there's my email address below, and make sure the subject of that email is DJI code please. That way I won't ignore your email, I'll go right to it. Now, everybody who sends me an email, as long as I have codes available, I'm going to give a code to. Now, obviously, if all of you start clicking right now, all the codes are gone right away. So what I'm going to do is you're watching this video probably in the morning, maybe the afternoon. Sometime on the evening of the 7th of June, I am going to look at all the people who asked for a code, and I'm just going to randomly select a few, and I'll just email you back with a code. 15 of you are going to get the code. Use it for something that you're going to buy on the DJI website. Do not ask for the code if you're not going to buy anything, because the code is only good for this sale. So make sure you're going to buy something first before I send you the code, and it can only be used once. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. There are going to be Captain Drone giveaways coming up in the future. Yes, I promise there will be. There'll be drones and accessories. Stay tuned for those videos, and if you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up. Go check out the DJI Summer Sale. Click the link below and it'll take you right to it, and thanks for watching this video. Catch you in the next one.